Hi guys, Doug here, Family Mowers. Got another project brought to me. Another Craftsman. Like I said, LT 1000. Not really sure. 15 horse, 15 and a half horse. Kohler. Been sitting for about 5 years. Uh, it's a hydro. And what we're going to try to do, I already checked the oil in it. It's full. It's good. We're not going to allow the gas. We're not going to put gas to the carburetor at all. But we're going to see if she'll spin over. And if she'll spin over, and then we're going to shoot it with some carb cleaner and see if she'll pop off. I already got the seat delete done. Battery cables, jumper cables to the leads over to my mud mower hooked up. So we're going to get you set up. We're going to see if she's going to spin over and see what she does. Let me get you guys set up right quick. Alright guys, we're back again. Had to get it all set up. She won't crank by the key, so apparently the solenoid's bad or whatever, but we're going to give her a little shot. Get her to spin over and see if she'll do it. Let's try it. Well, look like I ain't got no spark. Alright guys, I gotta pull the plug on it and I'll bring it right back. Alright guys, we're back again. I took the cover off. It's got bolt here, same on the other side. One on the front, one on the side, one at the dipstick you gotta take out. It's got some peanuts in there. I'll get them all cleaned out. Reason why she ain't sparking, got a lot of rust right there on the magnet. So we're gonna clean that up. Clean the here on the coil, and then we're gonna try it again. More to come. Bye. Alright guys, back again. I sanded down the coil, the little feelers right here, and also sanded down the magnets. We're going to put the kill wire back on. We're going to see if she's going to crank. I do got spark, but something's the matter with the kill wire. It's what you get when it's been sitting around. It gets corrosion and stuff like that in different places, and the safety switches and stuff, they'll get bad. They won't allow you to crank. They won't allow you to get any spark and stuff like that. So I don't suggest this to anybody. I want to do away with all the safety switches because we're adults. We know right from wrong. And I'm going to wire this up like a mud mower. So, and you don't need all that wiring. But don't do what I say. Do what's best for y'all and everything. So we're going to see if she's going to pop off with some carb cleaner. If she does, then we're going to go ahead and probably drop the carburetor, clean it, drop the tank, clean the tank, put her all back together, and she should run off the tank. So let's see what happens. I'm going to disconnect the kill wire because she ain't going to get no spark that way. there she is. She's running. So, like I said, I'm going to wire it up like my mud mowers. Do away with all the safety stuff. And as soon as I get her on the fuel tank, and then we're going to see if she's going to roll. And if you guys got any questions or anything like that, leave it in the comments. Good or bad, I don't care. I'm a big boy, I can handle it. If you like what I'm doing, give me that old thumbs up right there. It don't cost you anything. Subscribe. And thank you all for subscribing. And I hope you all enjoy my videos. I got to get back in routine and everything. But God bless. Love y'all. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.